Good morning, everyone. My name is Shuhei Ishida. My topic is happiness. So, what is happiness? How can we be happy? These are some of the questions that I will try to answer. I feel strongly that everyone has right to happiness. There are 6 billion ways of feeling happy because there are 6 billion people in the world. These ways depend on the person's rank or caste in society and his or her surroundings. By listening to the results of my research, which I did with my friends and my family, you can get a sense of different ways to be happy. For example, people spend time on their hobbies. They eat their favorite food. They try to earn a lot of money. They try to keep healthy. So they love. They get married. They dream. They think it is good just to be alive. In other words, everyone has different sense of value. People may experience the same things, but the way by which they may be happy is not the same. I think 3 essential ways to achieve happiness. They are having a conscience, good fortune, and working activity to be happy. First, about the conscience. If we have a heart to be moved, emphasize, and appreciate something or someone else, we will feel happier. Second, there are 2 kinds of happiness. The happiness that we try to get, and the happiness that suddenly comes to us, like winning the lottery. Third, I think some people are happy because they work at being happy. I'm going to focus on my third point. Do you know the novel Good Luck? The theme of the novel is happiness. According to Good Luck, happiness without any effort is very difficult to achieve. Why? If you want to be happy, you must work for it. Most people get discouraged or give up because it takes too much time or effort to achieve their dreams. So they tend to stop taking action. Please don't give up being happy. Even if you face a crisis, I want to tell everyone, never give up. Everyone has a right to happiness, and there are enough possibilities to be happy. Okay, now, what should we do? We should study and learn. There are many things we don't know. People will come closer to happiness. So, please don't be jealous of others and think so and so has talent, but you don't. The brilliant person must have made much effort to be brilliant. Ichiro has trained harder than others and dreamt of becoming a professional baseball player ever since he was a child. Please don't stop learning. Please don't stop trying to be happy. I want you to achieve happiness by working for it. Thank you for listening and good luck.